instead of using time, we can use an event to continue the recording. So what do we want to accomplish? We're going to create an event. Then in our macro, we'll display instructions, loop for the 10 repetitions, have an image displayed for 200 milliseconds, and then use that event to continue, and then display the color white between a duration. So this time we're going to use the Preferences panel. We'll turn on the event marker channel and get rid of the rest. Going to the Event tab, let's create a new event, and then we'll use that event marker channel. Now we want to do nothing, but we could use that to start any of the macros that we've previously created. Let's use a threshold of 0.5 volt. Now we go to the macro panel. We'll utilize macro 4 and modify it. So again, export. And then bring it back in. We'll call it M5. So the only modification we want to make, instead of a time interval, is we're going to wait for an event. You can set the time, and there's our macro. Now if you run this, it will wait for the event to fire, or you can use any other channel for that event as well.